They're pretty good quality, really good. Again, this is super easy to put together. This is really quality material, so it's not gonna break. Here, pretty tight. Now we can show you from the back side, clean and smooth. Okay, that's that. So far, I like it. I do plan on ordering more. Hello. So I am coming today to show you guys what I have ordered. I have a Ricoma EM1010. I've seen a few brands and I came across this brand. It is by Sewtalent. So I ordered the hooping station. This is the, let's see, this is a size 6.9 by 6.9, which is 175 millimeters by 175 millimeters. This is 7.6 by 2.7 inches. They're pretty good quality, really good. I'll show you. This is a 𝐒𝐡𝐴𝐻. You can use this to hoop your sleeves, maybe the legs of your pants, if you want to embroider on pants. That's that fixture here. And the same thing here. Let me set that here. I'm going to show you how this works. This is a 6.9 by 6.9. So I'm just going to pull it apart here. Set that to the side. And just put it there. I'm just going to take, you put your backing, your stabilizer on. That holds it in place. And then you have this part. You just sit there and this hoop. What you do is, there you go, this hoop. And in here, pretty tight. Now we can show you from the back side, clean and smooth. Okay, that's that. I did not show you that. It also came with these two pictures as well. So there's this set of pictures, that set of pictures, this picture, and I chose the 6.9 by 6.9. I chose this hoop with the station that was out there. And then I also have this is a 7.7 by 12.5 hoop. I already have something hooped on here. I'm gonna do something for Valentine's Day really quick. So that's it. So there you have it. I have the hooping station, which is by Sewtalent. I have 3 magnetic hoops that I also ordered from Sewtalent, and of course I have the fixtures that go along with it. So you'll have the frame, the hoop, and you'll have the hardware that comes along with the screws and hardware, and it's easy to assemble. So normally you probably try to run down a small screwdriver, so the screwdriver is included. Again, this is super easy to put together. This is really quality material, so it's not gonna break. You see this, it's not flimsy, it's good quality. So far I like it. I do plan on ordering more. I hope my video helped maybe someone out there trying to save a bit of money. There are other competitors out, and I have researched to see what's the best price, and so far this has been the best price magnetic hoop that I found. You won't break the bank, and again, you're getting quality material, and the shipping was super fast. I would say a little bit over a week, but yeah, the seller is really great at communicating. I will put the link or the information where I order if you would like to order you a set of magnetic hoop. That's all. Bye.